How to unlink two contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Contacts application on your phone. The Contacts app on iPhone is a built-in application for managing contact information. It allows users to store names, phone numbers, email addresses, and other details for individuals and organizations. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Tap on any contact from here. You can view this contact details over here. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Scroll down to the Linked Contacts section and swipe left on the contact you want to unlink. Then, tap on Unlink. After that, tap on Done at the top. Following these steps, you can easily unlink two contacts on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.